All up, boy. Shawty on the track, though I am killing it.
Plug. On monkey falling. I'm driving my. Yo, what's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Kid Cardi. We back with another video, and I said we back here with another video. And today's video, y'all already know what's going on about the title and thumbnail. Oh, come back down here, y'all. Come back down. But all I gotta say is, I'm gonna just say it like this. Today is a good video day, cause look, y'all, I'm finna be turning my M3 into an M3 competition, you feel me? So look. I know that sounds impossible, but look, just stick around to the end of the video and y'all go come along with me. Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on them post notifications. And if y'all new to the channel, you can stay tuned with your boy Kid Cardi and get y'all popcorn, you feel me? It's gonna be a pretty interesting video. So yeah, let's get into it.
Airborne made this.
Alright, so y'all, as y'all can see, all y'all need in today's video is gonna be some simple things that you should have around the crib, you feel me? If you don't, you feel me, y'all can pick these up in your local Walmart. Hey, if y'all haven't seen my last video, go watch that, feel me? But if y'all haven't seen that video, rest in peace to my energy, you feel me? But hey, what y'all need in today's video is gonna be a red brake caliper spray. They really like what you need for it. But hey, need you a little bit of primer, you feel me? Hey, if you ain't got no primer, you can pick both of these things up. I picked both of these things up for like, what, $16? It wasn't expensive at all. I'm gonna just put it like that. And you need you a pair of gloves, of course, a trash bag, and you gonna need your jacket. Got those things, pretty much. But if you ain't got those, hey boy, goddamn. Go pick up those things and come back to the video, my boy. Nevertheless, alright, so y'all, we gonna be working with these bad boys. If y'all don't already know, I got spinners on the front and I got them on the back. But this is what you really want to start with right here. Y'all see the brake calipers and they alright, you feel me? They ain't bad. Boy, I had to come in the crib real quick. Grab these gloves, man. About 35 degrees out there. And I want to make sure I wet that thing up. Let that sit. Feel me? Then you go come in and wipe that dirt off, all that dirt. feel me? Go hit that thing with this. It rain right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that dirt right there? That's all the dirt coming off that bad boy. Don't worry, you feel me? And if y'all made it to this far of the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Turn on post notifications, I very much appreciate it. Look, I mean, it's pretty much clean, so after that, we wanna take y'all back, y'all open up. Oh, it shouldn't be this hard to open up. The whole world up nice. Like so. Take that X-Acto knife. So you just go take it down the middle. Feel me? It should give you something like this. No hesitation. Check me out. You feel me? That's solid right there. Y'all get it just like this, y'all gonna be perfectly fine. Once you got that thing, you feel me? First thing you gonna wanna do is your primer. Feel me? Grab your good old primer right here. What you gonna wanna do with this is do a light coat, a medium coat, and a hard coat. With this primer right here, you gonna wanna let this sit for like about 5 minutes, you feel me? After each coat. And it's cold out here, so it should dry a little bit faster than usual. Light coats now. And y'all gonna wanna do this process kind of quick, you feel me? If y'all can, it do dry. Light coat now. Y'all gonna make sure y'all wanna hit the whole thing. Y'all see how good that thing is? Off the E. What y'all think? Alright, it's been like, what, about 5 to 4 minutes, you feel me? And it's already looking like it's, you feel me? You don't really want to rush this process. You want to take your time with this process because it is paint at the end of the day. So just be mindful. Let me just put it like that. I'll just be easy with it, you feel me? Now this one right here, you're going to want to take your time, you feel me? Polish that boy. Make sure you hit every area now. We got the medium coat on here, as y'all can see. We gonna hit this thing one more time with a primer just to make sure everything is just, feel me? So, it's all. Let that sit about another 5-10 minutes. You'll be okay. But that right there is a masterpiece. There we go. Now this paint been sitting for a little minute, so bear with me. It should be still good. You feel me? Y'all good. Make sure y'all drawing that in the red. That's the primer right there. The red. Make sure y'all get this one right here now. You feel me? We gonna come back in with the second coat. But yeah, after you pretty much got that how it is, like right now, like you pretty much Gucci. Like look at that red compared to that red right there. It's pretty much same red. Feel me? And y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know which one y'all like better. Do y'all like the M3 better, or y'all like the M5? Let me know. Let me know, cause I ain't even gonna lie. The M3 or you just in and out of traffic, you feel me? But the M5 is a little bit more husky on the side. Let me know. Let me know something, you feel me? Yeah, it's been about, what, 8 minutes? And, you feel me? I'm finna just show y'all boys how it's looking up. Oh my goodness. Glossy that look, man. Bro, you can't tell me that ain't. Come on now. Come on now, let's stop playing. Hey, it's only been 8 minutes and it's already looking like that, you feel me? One more coat, what y'all think? Or y'all think just leave it like that? Drop down in the comment. One more coat, leave it like that. Well, I think I'm gonna get it. Feel me? I think I'm gonna hit it one more coat just to make sure. Feel me? 4 coats should be working. Alright, I think that right there is pretty much solid. What y'all think? Oh yeah. But with that being said, I'm gonna let that sit until you're done. And then I'm gonna throw all these rounds back on it, show y'all boys the finished product. Alright, y'all. Feel me? I'm finna hop in. Yeah, like I said, I'm finna hop in it. You already know. Feel me? So yeah, right now I think that I'm having problems with getting the lug nuts off because the car ain't really balanced how it's supposed to. But once I move it up there, we should have no problems with it, you feel me? And yeah, I got one of them done. I put the wheel back on, but yeah, I'm finna get on to the other one. Y'all boy got the peanut butter in here, you feel me? Now I gotta dry that thing soft now. Alright, put that thing apart. Let's see. Y'all, so with that right there, y'all gonna wanna let that sit for like what? 20 minutes? This like the second coat, I believe. You'll let that sit for like what? 10 to 20 minutes. After y'all get done with that, y'all already know. Third coat is the last coat, but you wanna put 2 extra coats on there after the last coat just to make sure. Hey, I love y'all. I just want y'all to know that, you feel me? Put it like this, if y'all wanna do, not if y'all want it. Y'all need to do 5. If you don't, it won't look like this. Boy, like, look at that, bro. Like, that's the second coat game, and that's already glossy. And this paint is like dry. You feel better, Lord. Let's see how to get it. Should be good right there. Alright, y'all. So it's been like a good 6 to 9 minutes, and we coming back to something like this. Check me out. Oh, hold on. My camera, yeah. Look at that. Oh my G. Y'all see how red that is already? I think that's perfect. What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments what y'all think for 1 out of 10. Nevertheless, y'all, you feel me? Y'all done seen me do 2. Got 2 done already, so feel me? I'ma just show y'all boys the time lapse of me finishing.
At night I'm sleep alone, I lay with sun, I left you weeks. Searching, I can't find it. With a love, I've been misled. Me, you broke the code, so you won't ever see that side of me again. Why can't I find somebody to appreciate me just how I'm in? Would you still want me if I was broke and never touch no M's? Still want me with no car, I ain't had no crib.
Airborne made this.
Run down with a bad bitch. Keep it nine. And then go get with the
I break down all on your bitch. Louis, they sending me gifts. I put that